Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're going to review these 8 inches under cabinet lights that I got sent out for review by the Deco store. These are really nice. They come in a very nice size and they are sensor and dimmable, and you can put them under a cabinet or you can put them on within a closet or a dark place that it's out of your reach. You can use these magnets right here to put them on the under cabinet, and also you can switch here and charge it with this USB-C cable that comes as well in the box included. These are like magnets that you can stick on your cabinet, and also here these are the magnets that you can remove every time that you need to charge these under cabinet lights. The battery will last up to 2 or 3 hours, and it can last up to 60 days in motion model. So when you turn them on and leave them on for like a lot of time, it will last 2 or 3 hours or 60 days. You can also hang them with these nice detail that it has right here, and you can hang them on any closet maybe that you want to light up. And these it has a button right here that says dim, and also the other that is CCT. Okay, so it is very easy to install. You just locate wherever you want to install it, remove the stickers from the magnets, and then you can just place them wherever you want them to be. And this is how they look like. I love they illuminate right here. They are not too long, which I love. These are very nice size, and they have 5 color temperature. You can see here the changing on the light, and I love that they are sensor lights because this way you can just walk into the stairs or your kitchen and it will immediately be light up. This hidden hook is really nice feature because you can also grab it with you and take it wherever you want to install it and use this hook as well. It looks really nice. Let's just test the sensor. You can adjust the brightness as well, and which is really nice as well. This is when you step away and this is when you step in. So it's really nice that they automatically turn on because of the sensor.